Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how you can generate a calendar for your design. This is a calendar 2026 calendar, and then for you to do this, let's go to a new page. Control new. Let's create a new page, and then from here, to achieve this, you first of all go then come to your tools here. You come to script, and then from here you see run script. Then you click on the run script like this, and then you see macro name. Don't bother about the macro name. Come to the macros in, and then you see VBA project. Click on it, and then you see calendar wizard. This is the most important part. You click on the calendar wizard, and then you click on run, and then immediately you see your calendar. This calendar, you can customize it to any year of your choice. And then, for instance, here you have year. This is 2026 calendar, which if you want to backdate it, you can backdate it using this drop down section here. You backdate it to the previous year. Even though you need 2027 calendar, you can also see it here. But come back to 2026. Then it asks you want all the months involved in. You click on all, and then it has selected pages which you can see from here, which tells you that you have all the months involved. And then the next aspect is you have down here, you see months. This is the layout. It's asking you whether you want to make it a 3x4 or a 4x3. You click on it, you have see the customization that comes here. You see it has been arranged on one single page. That is, all the months will be on three meaning that 1 to 3, that is 3 rows, and then 4 columns respectively. And then you come to your layout. This is the layout header, the small header, the body. You want to customize and change the colors, and then you click on this header. You can change the color of this black of the header here. Let's click on it now. It will give us a color section. This is a CMYK color. You can, if you want to change it to RGB from here, and then you click on OK. You see the color of this January here has changed. And then if you want to change the inner body that is down here, you want it to change from black to another color, come here, drag this your pointer to the color of your choice, and you click on OK. You have succeeded in seeing that the small header up here, which you see, which represent from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, has changed from here. Then this is the small body, meaning that this angle, this side, showing from the Sundays, you can change it. You can customize the color. With this, you can change it to black, for instance, and click on OK. It has changed to black. And the other section from the weekday, you can change it to any color of your choice and click on OK. Thank you. And to generate this, you can just finish up, and then you click on generate from here. This is the last, and you click on generate, and immediately it will tell you it has finished generating, of which it doesn't take time. Click on OK, and then exit from here. And then when you come back, this is your calendar. You have a very nice calendar, very good. You go through, you scroll through, and it has started from January to February to December. This is the 2026 calendar you have here like this. Thank you, and subscribe for more.